Welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars and Ukuleles. This is a sound sample unlike other ones I've done because this is a very special instrument. This is the President Carter Paulownia ukulele, tenor ukulele. So this back and sides, the wood is called Paulownia. It's primarily used in Asia, where it's also known as the Empress tree. But about 20 years ago, President Jimmy Carter planted a whole bunch of these trees on his estate in Plains, Georgia, and they grew to maturity. And then last year, 2019, it was harvested, and they were asked by Jimmy Carter to be cut down and to be distributed to people who could show that it could be used in interesting, creative and sustainable ways. Some special sets were made for some lucky instrument makers such as myself, and we were asked to create some instruments from this sustainable wood, and we did. Paulownia is it's one of the lightest hardwoods. It's akin to balsa wood, and it's got excellent strength to weight ratio. There's 23 species of it, one of which is invasive, but President Carter didn't plant the invasive one because he's a forward thinker. And so I can't remember the various species names, but this is one of the 22 non-invasive species of Paulownia. This plant, or this tree, grows 7 feet per year, so it's really quick. It's primarily used, well, not primarily, but it's used in Japanese kotos, I think it's pronounced, which is like a harp sort of instrument. The people who are responsible for getting this project off the ground, technically they cut it out of the ground, I guess, World Tree. They're an organization who bought the trees and promoting it as a sustainable lumber, which is extremely fast growing compared to other trees, and you can read all about that on their website, worldtree.info, I think it is, and there's many avenues on that website where you can go. So this is the wood without a sunburst on it. Really, really light. I think this would make, or would particularly be good for flamenco guitars and necks for flamenco guitars, and classical necks if you are wanting a very light, stiff, stable neck. So this is Paulownia wood, back and sides, Sitka top, Spanish cedar neck, Rocklite bindings and Rocklite fingerboard, African ebony bridge, Rocklite faceplate and backplate, and Waverley tuners with ebony buttons and bone, nut and tusk saddle. It's also got a half herringbone purfling on the top and a black, white, black on the back and everywhere else, and a mother of pearl H. 3 other companies contributed to this very kindly in alphabetical order to make it fair. Allied Luthiery donated the Sitka top. LMI donated the Rocklite fingerboard and the Rocklite bindings and head plates. And Stuart McDonald, Stu Mac, donated these Waverley tuners with ebony buttons. And the Waverleys are really beautiful tuners. They're what I put on my instruments as standard. Another word on the Rocklite. Rocklite is another sustainable product, which is why I chose it for all these elements. It's real wood which has been reassembled, glued together and dyed black, and it planes and finishes like wood because it is wood. I forget the wood's name that it's made out of, but it acts like it's basically sold as an ebony substitute. So it was really perfect for this particular project, which was all about sustainability. And the world needs more of that. The sunburst was sprayed by me, as was the finish. You can tell because it's really shiny. It's also got a nice volute just here, which just adds strength to that element. And a sculpted heel. And a special President Carter label. This is one of a matching set because I made a guitar just like this, and I will be showing that soon. So that's it for the intro. Now I'm going to play it, and it sounds as good as it looks. just me just improvising. I don't know what I'm playing. So thank you for listening to that. I'm going to put this away so I don't scratch it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy these videos. And normally I do instructional luthiery videos, but when I finish an instrument, I usually do a sound sample. So I hope you like these. Please check out, look up World Tree. I'll add links to all the information on this wood, Paulownia wood, and any articles I come across in regard to President Carter and the wood that he planted with such foresight. Thank you.